to Bill's Bridge class. Class 33. Responding to partner's one no trump opening. Part 1. There'll be several parts of this discussion. Simple case. You have a balanced hand. Opener is showing 15 to 17 starting points. You simply add points and look at the magic numbers. Add the 2 points your hand and your partner's, and look at the magic numbers 26, 33, and 37 for game, small slam, and grand slam. Less than 8 points, you pass. 8 or 9, bid 2 no trump. Partner will raise to 3 with the maximum. 10 to 14, bid 3 no trump, and partner is expected to pass. 15 or 16, bid 4 no trump. You're asking partner to go on to 6 with more than a minimum. 17 or 18, you bid 6 no trump, and opener is expected to pass. Here's the one you get confused on. 5 no trump, 19 to 20. This guarantees 6 and asks partner to go to 7 with the maximum. Opener bids 6 no trump with a weak hand, 7 no trump with a poor hand, but he does not pass. He bids one or the other. 7 no trump, 21 plus, you have enough for everything. Just add points. Let's digress with a little bridge theory. When one hand has most of the high card points, the honors, it's preferable to have this hand be the declarer. Why? When opener opens 1 no trump, 2 no trump, or 2 clubs, he's showing a strong hand. It's best to have him be the declarer. That's why conventions, which we're going to cover mostly tomorrow, a couple a day, Jacoby transfer, Texas transfer, and Smolin are conventions that help ensure the strong hand is declared. Again, why? Number 1, the hand is hidden. All the honors are not seen. It's harder for the defense to play. And secondly, the lead goes up to the strong hand. What do you do with an unbalanced hand? First of all, decide if you wish to bid at all. If you have 8 or more starting points, you should always bid. With less than 8, you might still want to bid if you have a long suit. You're better off to play in the long suit. Critical conventions, which we'll cover in the next 2 or 3 classes. Stayman, including puppet Stayman. Transfers, which include Jacoby transfer, Texas transfer, and 4-suit transfers. And Smolin are critical in playing opposite 1 no trump. With a 5-card major suit and no 4-card major suit, use Jacoby transfer. If you have 1 or 2 major suits, 4 cards or longer, use Stayman or puppet Stayman. Always use Stayman if you are 4-4 in the majors. With a long minor, use 4-suit transfers. That'll be a class separate from others. With a strong 6-card suit, use Jacoby transfer, 3 hearts or 3 spades as natural bids, or Texas transfer. Each of these show a long major suit. Convention. Responder bids 2 clubs. He promises 1 or 2 4-card major suits and asks opener to bid as follows. With no 4-card or 5-card major suit, opener rebids 2 diamonds. With 4 or 5 hearts, he rebids 2 hearts. With 4 or 5 spades and less than 4 hearts, he bids 2 spades. Those are the only allowable bids he can make. After a 2-diamond response, opener showing no major suit, responder may rebid as follows. Pass. Rather unusual. It's called garbage Stayman. He intends to pass whatever opener rebids. 2 hearts, called crawling Stayman. He's trying to find a major suit to play in, and he is not inviting. Opener is expected to pass or bid 2 spades. 2 spades is invitational, showing 4 hearts, 5 spades, and invitational. If he had 5 hearts and 4 spades, he would transfer to hearts, then bid spades. No trump bids are natural, and 3 clubs or 3 diamonds is game forcing, showing a 5-card minor suit. Continue with the Stayman convention and 2 diamond response. Other responses by responder. 3 hearts, alert, Smolin, shows 4 hearts and 5 or 6 spades. I want to play in spades. The intent is for the opener to play in the spades. 3 spades is also Smolin. It shows the reverse. 4 spades and 5 or 6 hearts, forcing to game. And 4 clubs, by the way, is Gerber ace asking. We'll cover when we get into slam bidding. If opener rebids 2 hearts, showing 4 more hearts, and he might have spades. Responder could pass, wants to play 2 hearts. 2 spades, invitational, shows 4 hearts, 5 spades. With 5 hearts and 4 spades, he transfer first. 3 hearts is invitational. No trump bids are natural. 4 hearts is natural, sign off. But beware of 2 no trump here, which we'll get into when we get into 4 suit transfers. A new suit is game forcing and natural. 4 clubs is Gerber, ace asking, which we'll get into when we get into slam bidding. If opener rebids 2 spades, showing 4 more spades but denying hearts, responder's rebids could be pass, he wants to play at 2 spades. 3 spades, inviting 4. 4 spades to play. No trump bids are natural, but again, beware of 2 no trump. We'll cover that when we get to 4 suit transfers. A new suit is game forcing and natural. And 4 clubs is Gerber, key card Gerber, which we'll get into when we get into slam bidding. Tomorrow, in class 34, we're going to cover responding to partners 1 no trump opening by the transfers. See you Thursday.